ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ulapan pau ya jing snow scam bagi khat arngut ki MLA ki bala Phet no dangshen banlek penyas no bat ka Seng All India Trinamool Congress kin Shah Mait Kyrteng kat kum ki kendon jong ka 10th schedule jong ka riti sensyar kari India. Haga jing ekran bat kilat pathai khubor haga shipau tarik unok pra arhajar arfuai uba pala ulapan pauru ya ke jing bamyahap halor ke jing ong jong sembut menteri rangba ke jela uba Preston Tensong uba dairu menteri uba dai pek ya katanat parliamentary affairs bagi khat arngut ki MLA Phet Seng kin nom ngat house di Mait Kyrteng Shushu uba palau la yatu baha ke jing selok sani baha bat ki Rio Start Ain na Delhi kila Thikna bagi ni ki khat arngut ki MLA ki bala Phet na ka Seng Congress banlek penias no Shah Trinamool Congress kin ngat baik ha ka jing Shah Mait Kyrteng namar baka lenti ka baki shim kam shim lalong kat kum ka 10 schedule jong ka riti sensyar kari India.
As I told you, this is not the first time that people left the party. And when P.A. Sangma left the party, they said Congress is fight up, but still Congress is there. And last time when Barton Song and others left the party, they said Congress is fight up, but we're still there. So this time actually we have taken advanced action where not a single block has made a resolution actually. So I think there's not, be it in Umroi, be it in Nong Thamai, be in other constituencies in Garols as well. Before they have taken a resolution, we already changed the people. So those who have gone, they are no more a Congress. Half of them, they already left much before we have taken advance. So out of 12 blocks which we have left the party, not a single block has taken a resolution to leave the party en masse along with the office bearers. So I think we have taken enough precaution, and like I told you, lots of approaches from the young minds, doctors, engineers, even some of the retired officials also who are about to retire, so they're ready to take voluntary pensions and contest from us. And we'll allow this to continue, I think, for a few weeks, and then maybe by New Year, then we'll start also rejoining the party. So we have to allow certain systems to be stable. They leave the party, definitely they must have some excuse and they must have somebody to accuse. But the reason of accuse and the reason of excuse also they should explain. So simply saying that because of him or because of this man or that man, there must be also reasons. So everybody must have a reason to leave. When they have any reason against the party, definitely they'll try to figure on someone else. So I don't have a problem if anybody abuse, accuse, we are used to that system. He himself left the party. When he left the party, he thought that the Congress has gone, but Congress is still there, like I've told him before also. And I think there's every reasons that this development will be disqualified. I'm telling you a simple, very in a simple way to explain. Normally, as per the 10th schedule, it has to be merged party to party. This development is they have got numbers to split the party. There's no denying the fact. But they should come up with a Congress, form a party, and that party will merge with other party. So in the 10th schedule, there's a question of merger, and it should be a merger of parties. So I think I've discussed also this with many of the lawyers in Delhi. They said that 100% these MLAs will be disqualified because the system which they have followed is not as per the 10th schedule. So let's see, we have given the speakers. That's why when we filed the petition, we filed 2 sets. First set is for 10 MLAs, and then we do a better research, improve. Now we have given 2 for Chillang Pale as well as for Bachals. So I think definitely I'm very confident that they'll be disqualified at any cost. When leaders leaving the party, as I told you, when P.A. Sangma left the party, they said Congress is wide up from Garo Hills. But it did not wide up. Lots of young blood and fresh bloods also there. Out there we still have Deborah, we still have Billy Kids, and we still have Brigadier with us. We still have so many other party with us. Omilu has joined us. But we will show this in a later stage. And we have already revived the party, and we have already appointed all the block presidents, district presidents. Only thing is now actually because of parliament session I cannot go there. We'll have a ceremony of joining also in a big way in Garo Hills, and lots of young bloods who passed from IIT, passed from Delhi University, who approached me. They said it's an opportunity for the people, young blood from Garo Hills to join. So I feel that in Garo Hills we should do very good. It's not as per what other expected. Today only for them leaving the party. For example, when I first joined as a president, I called the youth congress. They came only 5-6 of them. When I asked where are the rest, they said most of them they are not active. Then I asked how many members are there in the youth. They said we hardly have 100 or 120 youth who are active. But when they resign, they'll get 3,000, 4,000 resign. So today, the enrollment, we have got more than 10,000 of the youth have already enrolled. And another 20,000 who are already enrolled, but payment is some problem with the payment because everybody has to pay for it, 5 rupees per enrollment. So I think maybe 100 left us, but around 30,000, 40,000 has joined us.